Now just a follow-up. So here is the bottom of the cabinet after it's fixed. And you can see, no matter how careful you are, you can get adhesive on it. So do not use things like rubbing alcohol or anything aggressive, because it will damage this. It will start to erase the print that's on these stickers. Glue gun takes it right off. So you can see here, I've got all these marks. That's where glue had gotten onto the squeegee that I was using. And I'm just using a paper towel, and as you can see, I put a little bit more on the paper towel, but it's literally just erasing it right off. Do not soak whatever you're using, because you don't want it to get under this and damage more of the sticker to cause you to have to repair it. Now on this, I also had to repair some of the, grab a dry paper towel, make sure we get this all wiped off. And as you can see, he's completely gone. So glue gun will take this adhesive off to clean it up. I do have a tiny pocket here, because you've got all these creases. There is a tiny pocket here that apparently did not get adhesive under it. It is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it now. I also had to re-glue the T-molding here from the seam all the way out to the foot. So, and you feel for overspray, because even though I use a piece of cardboard to back it, you know, you've got a fine mist coming off. So you definitely want to make sure you wipe off all that glue gun, because I don't know what the if there's any long-term effects or damage. But, you know, the end of the first part of the video, you saw that this was all peeled up. And like I said, even though you don't see this, there's nothing to stop it from continuing to peel over time. So this repair is done. There's little tabs here. It's like a little bit there that would have to be touched up with some type of adhesive with a small brush or something. Make sure you see a little bit more adhesive here. We want to carefully wipe off here, because there's tears. There's tears in the sticker. So, yeah, that's another section repaired now. So, like I said, we've repaired the top corner of this side. I've now repaired the entire bottom section, so it's all stuck back on again. And we repaired the top of the other side of the machine. I'm just using the base as something for it to sit on. Just don't, if you lay it on something, you want to make sure you don't move it when you're picking up, say, down, or while you're working, because you don't want to cause damage to the side art from whatever you're laying it on. Now I have that also flipped on its side. So I've got side art against side art. Hopefully that's not going to cause damage, but I'm also lifting this off. I'm not dragging it across the artwork on the pedestal. So, again, hopefully this is helpful, you guys. Like and subscribe.